Tēnā tātou, he uri tēnei no te taitokero, ko parihaka te maunga, ko hā te awa, ko ngā tuki mata whaurua te waka, ko ngā puhi nui tonu te iwi, ara he tātai hoki ki te whakatōhea, ki ngai tahu, ki te whakaue. I think in the context of Y262, and this is a common issue across Aotearoa, as we kind of create, rightly so, more space for Māori to take back control and of their own processes and taonga. So within the Y262 space, I think Mātike Mai is a great model, an example of how we can do that. Mātike Mai was led by the late great Dr. Moana Jackson and Professor Margaret Matu. They ran a series of workshops around the country, and the view was shared that how we create change is through constitutional transformation. But we want to move it away from the government and back towards a by Māori for Māori approach, which is under Mātike Mai, tino rangatiratanga. At this moment in time, we're in a really pivotal part of our legal history. We've seen recently the courts embrace tikanga Māori as a source of law, which is really important because we know as Māori that it is the first law of Aotearoa, and giving Māori the ability to take care of their own taonga. And that's kind of, I don't think it's a bad thing, I think it's a good thing, because we have the knowledge base, we have the skills, we have the processes, I think, to protect and promote what's good for Māori and what's good for New Zealand. The Y262 is a really important moment, and where we're at is moving, I think, into a stage of, okay, what will that future look like, and how can we create space, whether through legislation, through other processes, to make sure that it is a form of tino rangatiratanga.